Good evening. It is 6:48 p.m. on Thursday, October the 29th. I am out here to record the moonrise on this fine evening. Something I knew exactly where it would occur because Stellarium gave me the azimuth to the moonrise. It's currently about 90 degrees, 91 degrees I think. I'll have to look again. And we're going to check the orientation of the moon, and specifically the crater Tycho, which certain people have claimed goes cartwheeling and rolling all around the moon all night long. And so we're going to put that to the test. Here's the moon rises. And just more proof of how we know the rate at which the Earth rotates is that the moon is half a degree wide. And since the Earth rotates 15 degrees per hour, that means it should take the moon roughly 2 minutes to rise its entire width. I don't have it on a tripod right now because I'm leaning up against my house and there's no room for it and not have tree branches in the way, so I'm hand holding this, but what do you know? No Tycho yet. It's not on the top. Oh, what's that? I think we're getting close. I think that might be it down there on the bottom. What do you know? Gee, it's nowhere near the top. It hasn't rolled away yet. So we're going to come back out, hopefully if I can stay awake tonight. Come back out at moonset, just before dawn, and we'll look where Tycho happens to be then. My prediction, because I know this and have watched it many times happen, is that Tycho will be at approximately the 9 o'clock position on the left side of the moon in this image. So we'll find out. I'm going to zoom out so that you can see I have not rotated the camera. There's the horizon. And as I zoom in now, Tycho is there at the bottom. Alright. We'll come back at a later time, and I'm going to, just for verification, hold up the phone. Six 6:51 p.m. I can't get a good picture because it's so overexposed, but at night. But 6:51 p.m. Thursday, October 29th. So we'll be back and we'll check this later. I'm going to take a couple of still photos while I'm out here. There's the moon. You've got Mars up above it. Again, something that you can verify in any competent astronomy program. See you later tonight. It's 6:02 in the morning on October 30th. There's the moon about to set. I'm going to do the last one of these videos so I can go to bed. We'll see where Tycho is now as the moon is about to set. There's my house. No camera rotation. Let's zoom in and see what we've got. I'll bet you everything I own that Tycho will not be be at the top of the moon, like certain people keep claiming. What do you know? It's at not quite the 9 o'clock position, just like I predicted in the comments in Daz's video. Amazing, isn't it? That predictions made by astronomy software can end up being correct every single time. It's amazing, isn't it? No rolling around, no cartwheeling. The moon is about 30 to 45 minutes from setting here. So, sorry, catfish. You need to brush up on your astronomy, pal. I'll take a few more pictures here again with timestamps, and we'll call it good. Thank you for watching. Here is a quick look in the Stellarium at my location and at the same time as I just took that last video. There's the time and the date and the location in the window. I'm going to zoom in on the moon, select it, move it up, center it, zoom in. There's Stellarium's prediction of where the moon will be and its orientation. Here's the photograph I took that you just saw a few seconds ago, in the same position. Same orientation, same rotation, everything. So there you go.